back in the cab and we're going to start doing the back wall. Woo! We're going to do this for some time, haven't we? There we go. Okay. I'm going to start, I'll put a couple of screws in because it's going to start warping. Too high with that one. Oh, I did too high with that one. But there. Doesn't matter. Here we go.
It's not going anywhere.
Look at that. Whew. Right.
It's a dead sheet we found earlier.
Dead sheet. I think I need a bit of old piece of wood.
One of these?
That'll do. That one, yeah. That's it.
It should have been exact height.
What's the top of the bottom?
Yeah. That's what I measured anyway. Probably stretches, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's good stuff, actually.
Is it fireproof?
I'm not too sure.
I'll have a look.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can always insulate your chimney anyway, can't you? Lovely jubbly, there's one.
Right, next one. Yeah. Whew.
Getting there.
I'm sweating. Okay.
Is she having a berry one?
Yeah.
Too much because it's split it.
Mm.
So I need delicate, isn't it? Then I'll
We'll
do
do
down
those
there
after.
then, and then get behind the cooker and do that. And we'll
Looking good.
keep spreading them and then keep going.
Hang
We're
on.
filming.
Neither one is overpowering.
Got it.
Yeah.
Let me put the screws in.
Do another one.
Oh, cladding's in this bit. Hang on. Oh, tiny bit.
Okay, that's all right. You can see that. Put about 3 in, it's always worth putting a couple of screws in because they'll move. Right. We've only got one left, haven't we? I'll have to get some more. We've got none left, have we?
Not plain one.
Huh?
Just get some more.
Put him there because he's got a knot in the other place. So, so we found out that we've got different packs. So we've got plain, which is like, yeah, they're just plain. They've got no stripes in them. And these, we can see. If I zoom in there, hold on. Blind, see? So I got another 5 packs to finish off that end as well. There we go. And son-in-law made me a nice cup of coffee. Look at this. Half a cup. Tight.
I only had a quarter of a cup. So
Because the kettle was too small.
yeah.
You could have just put another kettle on.
And he's just, yeah. And then to keep the bugs away, because it's a bit, what we had there? What have we got?
Huh?
Horseflies.
Horseflies.
So, a bit of a campfire going. Okay, so, oh, that's Evie. Sorry, you're not allowed any videos. No children allowed. Which is true, isn't it? So there we go. If you like the vid, give it a thumbs up. That would be really appreciated because it helps the channel a lot. And then we'll carry on and do that wall. Finish that one off at the top. This one to do, and then I'm going to get some asbestos sheeting to go around the back of the fire just to make sure everything's nice and safe. And then we've got the windows to do, which we'll use the plain ones for the windows. It's only around the edges. And that's it. Cheers. Thanks very much. Bye.